Okay, so in this video, we'd like to demonstrate how to use the Teams breakout room. We've created a meeting here with two guests, so my Gmail account, my Outlook account, this is my work account, and over here we have the organizer of the meeting. Now, only the organizer of the meeting has the right or the permissions to use the breakout room feature. So you'll see from the icon over here, to start it, you click. You can select how many rooms you want. Select, you have up to 50 rooms you can create. We'll select 3. You can allow people to be assigned automatically to rooms or manually. In this case, we use manual. Create rooms. Okay, so you can see the 3 rooms have been created here. Now, if we click on Assign Participants, we'll find all the participants of the meeting. In this case, we'll select these 2, click to assign, and we'll assign them to room 1. We now have to start the rooms. So we click on Start Rooms, and the 2 participants will be prompted or advised that they're going to be moved automatically to the breakout room session. As you can see, they've left the current meeting or the main meeting, and they're now going to enter the breakout room session. Okay. Okay, so the 2 participants have been added to the breakout room session here. We will now add my work account to the same room. Again, I'll be prompted. And here I've been moved to the breakout room. So as you can see, the 3 participants now inside this breakout room session. Now, as the organizer, I can enter or join any meeting by clicking on Join Room. So for example, you want to tell the participants that they're closing down the room or they've been inside the room for too long and they need to rejoin the main meeting room, you can use Join Room to enter the breakout room session with them and talk to them, tell them what you need to tell them. In order to leave the breakout room session, you have to click on Return to Main Meeting. However, there are some issues with the web client in that you get placed inside the lobby, but the organizer is never prompted to allow you back into the session. Maybe it's a bug, I don't know, but there is a workaround I found for this. As opposed to the Teams web client, you just simply click on Return, and it will drop you out and bring you back. That's it. You're now back inside the main meeting room here. Now, for the 2 guests who are currently in the breakout room session and who are both using the web client, if you click on the 3 dots and you close the room, I figured out that this will allow them to automatically join the main meeting again. So click on Close Room. They'll be prompted that the room will close in 10 seconds. Again, maybe it's advisable to join the room, communicate to the participants of the room that you're going to close the room. So, as you can see here, it's dropped from the breakout room session and is now connecting back to the main meeting. There we go. So as you can see, they're back inside the main meeting space again.